Let's learn about wild animals with Luna and Areo. Wild animals, independent, live in nature, not trained or bred by humans. Lion. I sleep 16 to 20 hours a day. My favorite foods include zebras, antelopes, buffalo, and wildebeest. I live in a den in the forest. My baby is called a cub. King of the jungle. Leopard. I hunt mostly at night and sleep during the day. My favorite nap spot is a tree branch. I like to eat deer, monkeys, or even birds. I can climb trees with my food. My baby is called a cub. Caves, grassland, or mountains are my homes. Tiger. I sleep for 16 to 20 hours a day. My baby is called a cub. I like to eat deer, wild pigs, and other animals. I live in forests, grasslands, and sometimes near rivers. Cheetah. I rest during the day. I sleep under trees or in tall grass to stay cool and hidden. I live in open grasslands and savannas. I like wide spaces where I can run fast. My baby is called a cub. I like to eat gazelles and hares. Jaguar. I rest during the day. I sleep in shady spots or under thick trees, and I hunt mostly at night. I like to eat deer, monkeys, fish, and even turtles. I live in rainforests, swamps, and grasslands. I like places with rivers and lots of trees. My baby is called a cub. Panther. I rest during the day. I sleep in shady spots or caves and hunt mostly at night. I like to hunt deer, wild pigs, rabbits, and even fish. I live in forests, swamps, and grasslands. My baby is called a cub. Bison. I sleep for short times. I rest lying down or standing, usually in safe open areas. I eat plants. I munch on grass, leaves, and sometimes small shrubs. I live in grasslands and plains. I like wide open spaces where I can roam in herds. My baby is called a calf. Gorilla. I sleep at night. I rest in nests made of leaves on the ground or in trees. I love to eat leaves, fruits, stems, and sometimes insects. I live in forests and mountains. My baby is called an infant. Elephant. I sleep for only a few hours each day. I often sleep standing up, but sometimes I lie down to rest. I eat plants, grass, leaves, fruits, and tree bark. My long trunk helps them grab food. I live in forests, grasslands, and near rivers. My home is the wild, where I can find water and food. My baby is called a calf. Wolf. I sleeps in the wild. I eats meat. I lives in a den. My baby is called a pup. Monkey. I sleeps in trees. I eats fruits and plants. I lives in the forest. My baby is called an infant. Bear. Bear I sleeps in caves or dens. I eats fish, plants, and honey. My baby is called a cub. I lives in the forest. Hyena. I sleeps in dens or caves. I lives in the grasslands or savannas. I eats meat. My baby is called a cub. Panda. I sleeps in the forest. I lives in bamboo forests. I eats bamboo. My baby is called a cub. Koala. I sleeps in trees. I eats eucalyptus leaves. I lives in eucalyptus forests. My baby is called a joey. Giraffe. I sleep standing up or lying down for short times. I eats leaves from tall trees. I lives in the savanna. My baby is called a calf. Fox. I sleep mostly during the day and are active at night. I eat small animals, fruits, and insects. I lives in a den often dug underground. A baby fox is called a kit. Gorilla. I sleep at night in the nests I build. I eat fruits, leaves, nuts, and sometimes insects. I live in forests and make nests in trees. My baby is called an infant. Rhinoceros. I sleeps lying on the ground. I eats grass and leaves. I lives in grasslands and forests. My baby is called a calf. Hippopotamus. I sleeps in water or on land. I eats grass and plants. I lives in rivers and lakes. My baby is called a calf. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.